Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic remote battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier. Now, let's open up your remote. Begin by locating the small button on the side or back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. Next, look for a small slot or notch along the edge of the remote casing. Carefully insert your emergency key, a coin, or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the remote. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your remote casing. Make sure all the internal components, especially the buttons, are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely closed. Finally, slide the emergency key back into place. Now, go ahead and test your remote to ensure all functions are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.